Okay, to insert word art, this is for you guys to create the titles for the different sections of your brochure and even for the title. Very simple. I suggest inserting word art instead of text boxes because it's just easier to work with and nicer. You go to insert, you go to the letter A over here, and if you hover over it, it says insert word art. Click on it, and you can click whatever style of letter and color that you want. So I'm gonna pick this one, and I'm gonna put San Francisco. And I could just click and drag from the border and move it around wherever I want it to. So I'm gonna put it here, and then you can like highlight and change the font as well. I mean, whatever you want to use, whatever's gonna go with your design. So just mess around with it, make it look nice. You can switch the colors, you can switch the outline. You'll get this menu over here for shadow, reflection, glow. I'll just quickly do something so you could see. If you were to do this, let's say that you want, let's go with a preset, let's go with maybe yellow. I don't know. Transparency, size. Or you could do like a 3D thing. There's so many options here. Just mess around with them. A shadow. There's a lot of things that you can mess around with here. So just go ahead and start messing around with it. And then let's say that you want to put your titles, right? So you go to insert and go to the word art. And let's say that this time I want a simple black. Okay, I'm gonna put maybe like top places to visit. Okay, you really can't see my top places to visit, right? Let's say I want to put it right here. If you notice, you can't really see anything. So what you want to do is you want to insert and then go to shapes, and I'll just use like a little rectangle one for now. I'm gonna click and drag, and I'm gonna switch the color of this to maybe like I don't know what'll go good with it. I'll do like a really light yellow. Okay, and I'm gonna put it here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to this little square like I taught you before. This time you're gonna go behind text because you want the box to be behind the text. Click on it, and then you can move this here. And now you're able to actually see what I wanted to write, correct? And then you can make it nicer, like it doesn't have to be that big, you know? You can make it like this, stretch it out a little bit, make it a little bit thinner. And there we go. Top places to visit. And let's say that you want, I don't know, for the yellow to be a little transparent so that you can kind of see. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the little bar, and this menu options on the sides come out. Just go ahead and pick go to the little paint bucket. That's where the color is at. If you notice, you see the yellow. Click on this little transparency bar. Look at what happens when I slide it over. It makes it a little bit transparent. Not transparent, a little transparent. a lot transparent. So I'm gonna go with maybe, how about there? And then I can put my text on top. See how that looks. All right. So I have, you can see my text, but you can also still see the bridge. And that's how you do the transparency so that things can pop out.